Rhythm number 9, bass drum will be played on beat number 1, the hand of 2, on hand of 3, and on the hand of 4. And it goes like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 adding snare drum slowly: 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 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 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Adding our hi-hat and bass drum only, playing our hi-hat and bass drum only. This is what it sounds like. Remember, always count, play slow, then gradually increase your speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Play that over and over until you're comfortable doing that. Then you're going to combine your bass drum, snare, and your hi-hat. Play all 3 pieces together. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Play it over and over. When you're comfortable, you're going to try increasing your speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Last and final rhythm in the series, number 10. This one is very easy, but you have to make sure you are still counting and playing what is written. It goes like this. Bass drum will be played on all 4 beats. On beat number 1, beat number 2, beat number 3, and beat number 4. And it goes like this. 1, 2, bass when we played on beat number 1, beat number 2, beat number 3, beat number 4. Let's have their snare. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,